Hello everyone. So I just signed out and logged in again, and now if I enable this button, then we can see that our restaurant status is changing depending on this button. So now it's working fine. So now let's move on to next part, and that is to add menu with this icon button. So let's go to home screen. Sorry, not yeah, home screen. And before that we can actually make a new directory and call this upload screens. Here I'm going to add a new dart file called menus underscore upload underscore screen. So here I'm going to import material.dart stateful widget menus upload screen. Let's add few variables like x file and image x file final image picker underscore picker equals to image picker. Text editing controller short info controller equals to text editing controller. Text editing controller title controller equals to text editing controller. Bool uploading equals to false. String unique id name date time dot. So we need to write some functions. So default screen return scaffold app bar so app bar background color Foodpanda color title text add new add new menu style text style colors dot white, center title true, automatically leading to true, and leading should be icon button. You can just, let's not add this one here, and let's see what happens. So after this we need to add semicolon, and here we can write if image x file equals null, then default screen, or else menus upload screen, upload form screen. So let's create menu upload form screen, return scaffold, app bar, app bar background color, Foodpanda color, title, text, uploading new menu, style, text style, font size 20, colors dot white, center title true, and automatically leading imply to true as well. And leading icon button, icon icons dot arrow back, colors dot white, on pressed clear menus upload form, and actions text button, text button, text, add, style, text style, font weight dot bold, colors dot white, and on pressed, if uploading is null, then validate upload form. Now we can write body or before that we can create clear menus upload form. So clear menus upload form, set state, short info text controller dot clear, title controller dot clear, image x file equals to null. Then we can add three more functions above here. One is take image context, you can just write context, return show dialog, context builder context, or you can change the actual name, context context, return simple dialog, title text menu, image style text style, color Foodpanda color, font weight dot bold, children simple dialog option, child text, capture with camera, style text style colors dot gray, on pressed capture image with camera. So we need to add another function here. So capture, let's copy this and paste it here and make it asynchronous, and let's add navigator dot pop context image x file equals to await picker dot pick image source dot camera, and max width we can give it like 108 1280, and max height should be 720. So set state image x file, and then we can add another function called pick image from gallery. So So let's add another simple dialog option. Two more actually. So capture, select from gallery, and instead of this capture image we can write pick image from gallery, and here on pressed we can write navigator.pop. So navigator.pop context. We need to add semicolon here and then semicolon here as well. So we need to add validate upload form. So let's add that after this clear menus upload form. So validate upload form saying if imagex file not equals to null, if short info controller dot text dot is not empty, and title controller dot text dot is not empty, then set state uploading equals to true, and upload image string download url equals to await upload file image x file dot path. We need to add another function, actually two more functions, so we can add that. So upload image image file async storage storage. Okay, we need to add import firebase storage as f storage, or you can write storage ref. So storage ref dot reference equals to storage ref dot firebase storage dot instance dot ref dot child menus. Storage ref dot upload task equals to reference dot child unique id name plus dot jpg dot put file image file storage ref dot task snapshot equals to await upload upload task dot when complete, then string download url equals to await task snapshot dot ref dot get download url and return download url. So here we need to import dart.io, not dart.html, otherwise we will be getting errors. So then we can add save info to firestore. So save info to firestore, we can pass the download url. So we need to add another function, save info to firestore string download url final reference equals to firebase firestore dot instance dot collection sellers dot doc shared preferences dot get string uid dot collection menus. So reference dot doc unique id name dot set menu id unique id name seller uid shared preferences dot get string uid, then menu info short info controller dot text dot to string menu title controller, we can just write trim actually, trim text dot trim I didn't add colon there, so that was it was showing error. So menu title published date date time dot now status available thumbnail url download url. You can write clear menus upload form and set state unique id name equals to date time dot now dot milliseconds since epoch to string uploading equals to false. Now we need to add few more things in our validate upload form. So after if else we can write show dialog context context return error dialog message please write title and info for menu. I'm going to add another else after this if, and I'm going to add please pick an image for menu. Now if we go to our home screen, like not homes, yeah, so if we go to our home screen and we write navigator dot push context material page route context menus upload screen, let's see what happens. So we can see this is how it looks, but there is nothing here, so we can create those. So we can add this icon theme here in our default here, and also in our default screen. So let's create our default screen. So after app bar we can write body container decoration box contain decoration color colors dot white child center child column main axis element dot center, then children icon icons dot shop sharp color Foodpanda color size is 200, and then we can add elevated button. on pressed we can call the function take image context, and here we can add text, add new menu, and we can add text style text style colors dot white, font size 18, and we can style our button style primary, or you can just write elevated button dot style form. So elevated button dot style form primary Foodpanda color. So that's it. Now when we add, okay, we need to add this one cancel and make this one cancel, and we can color this to red. So let's capture image. So we can capture image with camera, or we can select image. Wait, I think I didn't change the pick image from gallery, so we need to change it to gallery. Now if I hit select from gallery, then I can select any menu. So we need to add body here, so that we can see our item or menu. So let's add that. So we are going to add a list view. Children uploading is true, then it's linear progress. Okay, we can add a linear progress bar in our progress bar. So let's add that. So linear progress return container alignment dot center child linear progress indicator value color always stopped animation Foodpanda color. Sorry, we can write child here. So now we can write linear progress or empty text. After that we can add container height 230, width media query dot of context dot size dot width times 0.8, child center, child aspect ratio 16 by 9, child container, decoration box decoration, image decoration, image file, image x file dot path, and fit box fit dot cover. Now you can see our image. So after this container we can add list tile, leading icon, icons dot title, color Foodpanda color, then title should be container width 250, child text field, style, text style, colors dot black, controller title, controller decoration, input decoration, hint text should be menu title, and hint style should be text style, colors dot gray, border input border dot none. Then we can add a divider, color Foodpanda color, and thickness should be around 2. Then we can copy this list style and paste it again, and we can add one more divider, and here we can write information, so we can add like something like this, then menu info, and instead of title controller we can write short info controller. So that's it. Now we can hit add, but please write title and info for menu. We can write Kachi, and we can write Kachi buys traditional Kachi, and we can hit add. Now we can go back to our home screen. We are not seeing anything, but let's check our Firebase database. We can see there is this menu, and inside menu there is a document, and under document there is this information. And if we go back, so yeah, Now it's working perfectly fine. Now what we can do is add we can see the information in our home screen by adding a stream builder. So let's do that. So stream builder, we are going to pass a stream. So we are going to pass firebase firestore dot instance dot collection sellers dot doc shared preferences dot get string uid dot menu dot collection menus dot order by published date descending to true, and then dot snapshot, and in the builder we can write context snapshot. Here we can return if snapshot doesn't have data, then we are going to pass lever to box adapter child center child circular progress, or we are going to write sliver staggered grid dot grid dot count builder. So cross axis count can be 1, staggered builder we can pass function staggered dot staggered tile dot fit 1, and item builder can be context and index. Then menus, we have to add a model class, so we can add a model class. We can add a model class here in our model. So let's we don't have any model here. We are going to add a model, so make a directory and name it model or models, then add a new dart file called menus, and here I'm going to add class menus string menu id and string seller uid string menu title string menu info timestamp published date, string, thumbnail, URL, and string status. Now we can initialize them. So menus, this dot menu id, this dot seller uid, this dot menu title, this dot menu info, this dot publish date, this dot thumbnail url, this dot status. And here you can write menus dot form json map string dynamic json menu id equals to json menu id. Now we can copy this one and paste it for seller uid, title, info, publish date, thumbnail url, and status. So let's copy and paste them. Now we can add map string dynamic to json final map string dynamic data map string dynamic return data, and then we can write data menu id menu id. So let's copy this and paste it few more times. So seller uid, menu title, menu title, menu title, menu info, publish date, thumbnail url, and status. Now let's go to our home screen. Now we can write menus model equals to menus from json snapshot dot data dot docs index dot doc, sorry, index dot data, add a null check, then map string dynamic, and after this we can return info design widget and pass. Okay, so we need to add info design widget. So snapshot, here we can write on item count snapshot dot data dot talks dot length. So let's create a new widget called info design widget. So here we can write add info underscore design, import material dot dart, then stateful widget info design widget menus model. We can import our menus model class, then we can build context info design widget this dot model this dot context. Add adjuster detector on tap. We can keep the on tap empty for now. Then padding edge insets dot all 5, then child container decoration box decoration border dot all color colors dot gray dot shade 300, then border radius dot circular around 20, and then width can be media query dot of context dot size dot width, and then add a column children clip a rect border radius dot only top right radius dot circular 20, and top right left radius dot circular 20. Then child image dot network widget widget dot model dot thumbnail url height 220, fit box fit dot cover. Let's see on our home screen. We can pass model and context should be context, and we need to import our info design widget screen. We are still getting error. We need to add semicolon here. we can't see an image. Okay, but let's try to add other things like row, main axis alignment, dot center, children. Okay, image is actually showing, but okay, so let me connect again. I think my phone got heated, so I need to give it a rest. But I can assure you that image is showing on my phone after some time. So let's try to add menu title and a delete button. So let's add a text, widget dot model dot menu title, and style, text style, colors dot black, font size 20, and font weight dot bold. So in the next video I'm going to add delete button, so stay with me and please subscribe to my channel and hit like on the video. So for some reason my phone is not connecting to my PC, so I'm using the emulator. And here you can see that in the home screen we can see our menu. So let's add a icon button to delete our menu if we want to delete that. So let's add on pressed, and let's rearrange this. So icon start delete, and colors dot gray. And let's see, this is how it looks. So now we can write a function here, delete menu. We're going to pass a string, so menu id firebase firestore dot instance dot collections sellers dot doc shared preferences dot get string uid dot collection menus dot doc menu id dot delete. And you can add a Flutter toast. Message should be menu deleted successfully. And now in our icon button we can write delete menu and widget dot model dot menu id. So we are passing the menu id and we are deleting it with the function delete menu. So now if I tap here, it should delete the menu. So that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to add item upload screen.